we are going to find the surface area of this 3D figure. I have started by labeling all of the faces that I'm going to need to consider: the front, the back, the left and right sides, tops and bottoms, and then what I'm calling the interior, which is this section and that section there. For the front is going to be this piece, and this piece combined to make the front. So it is too tall, and this section is 3, 3, and 3 for a total of 9, giving us a front that is 18 feet squared. The back is also the same. It is 2 tall and 9 across. The sides are 8 by 2 rectangles, which gives us an area of 16 for the left and right sides. The top is made up of an 8 by 9 rectangle with a 3 by 4 piece missing. 8 times 9 is 72, and 3 times 4 is 12. Since it is missing, we are subtracting. 72 minus 12 is 60. And the bottom has the same setup. I have 2 interior pieces, which are 4 by 2 sections, giving us an area of 8 for each. And since there are 2, that means I have an area of 16 there. Your job is to add up all of the surfaces to find the surface area, and don't forget to label it with your units. This is measured in feet, so think about how you would label a surface area. Go ahead and finish that problem.